Growing up in Singapore, I never really appreciated the traditions and the festivals that we celebrate. It was only after I moved abroad that the importance of embracing my own heritage and my own culture really hit home. When we moved to Melbourne, I experienced what it meant to be eating with the seasons. Coming from Singapore, where there is only one season, this was completely new to me. In my first year of living in Melbourne, I felt really homesick because I was not able to be home for Chinese New Year steamboat, and I couldn't try the bazangs from friends and from family. It was only out of homesickness that I decided to learn how to make bazangs from my mother-in-law. And making these dumplings the same time as Singaporeans back home did made me feel so much more connected to my roots, even when I was far away from home. It was then that I realized that we also have seasons in Singapore, but the seasons that we eat by are not marked by weather changes, but by special festivals where our food is brought to the forefront of our gatherings. In 2021, Singapore Noodles is embarking on a journey to cook through the year following seasons in Singapore. As I cook the same things alongside Singaporeans back home, I realized just how diverse the cultures and food in Singapore really are, and I am reminded of my own heritage, even when I'm far from home.